Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Tech with Scott. This is the most makeshift video I've ever made, but I'm gonna be doing a unboxing and brief first impressions of the MacBook Air M1 chip in 2023. This laptop came out in 2020, and I see there's tons of videos on the internet talking about buying refurbished off Apple's website. In this video, we're gonna actually see if it's worth it for you guys to go pick it up. There's rumors that it's basically brand new condition with like almost 0 charging cycles, barely any use. The thing looks like it's in mint condition. Essentially, it's almost brand new, and you're getting a heavy 15% discount off the actual price. So, and you get the Apple warranty as well. So we're gonna be doing a quick makeshift unboxing. Don't have my normal tech gear right now, but we're gonna be rolling with it. So if you guys enjoy this sort of thing,
I'm just covering my address here, but this is what the actual box looks like itself. Just a small cardboard box. And here's the box itself. The only difference between this and a legit Apple box, even though this is sent by Apple, is instead of saying MacBook Air, it'll actually have a picture of the laptop on there. And then as you can see here, it says Apple certified refurbished. And on the back, you can see MacBook Air 13 inches and some other random information. Anything on the sides, Apple logo, and yeah, pretty basic packaging for the MacBook Air. It's the same sort of thing for other Apple products as well. They don't usually show the actual picture of the image. They'll just say what the product name is, and they'll say Apple certified refurbished. Okay, we're gonna try to unbox this. There's a little pull tab here. We're gonna pull that, and I think that just takes everything off. This is really hard to do. Oops, the one hand. But I'm making it work, ladies and gentlemen, just for you, the viewer. Also shooting this in wide angle mode because it's easier. Here we go, MacBook Air. Let's see if I can try to get it out. This is really difficult with one hand. Almost got it. Boom. Boom. Here we go. I got space gray, by the way, 512 gigabyte SSD. And instead of a 7-core GPU, which is the baseline on here, I got an 8-core GPU. So one additional core that'll probably come in useful for video editing on this thing. Let's pull this out. This thing is so small. It's not that light though. I was expecting this to feel like a feather. This is actually has some weight to it, and that's probably because it's made out of complete aluminum. We'll put that to the side. We have, right, this does not have MagSafe since this is the first one. So it's a USB-C to USB-C charger. And do we get a, oh, cool. Okay, good. I believe this is a 35-watt power adapter. And this is brand new. I mean, they're not going to give you, I doubt they're going to give you a used, like, charging cable. Unless it was in mint condition, I guess. But this looks brand new. And I believe we get, other than, like, the quick start guide, I believe we get Apple stickers. So MacBook Air, and yeah, we get space gray Apple stickers. How cool is that? Okay, let's try to take this plastic wrap off. So on the back, just pull it like this, and then it should just completely slide out like so. Nice thing about this space gray color is it doesn't leave really too many fingerprints, unlike the midnight color on the MacBook Air M2. So if we check it out, I know this isn't the best lighting here. 2 USB-C ports on that side, Apple logo on the front, headphone jack, nothing on the back. So it looks like no real info here. We got the 4 feet. This thing literally looks like it's brand new. I'm seeing no signs of wear at all. I think this is a brand new laptop. Just someone returned it. As you can see, fingerprints don't really show up on this too much, so that's good. Yeah, let's see what happens when we open this up. If we get any power. Nope. No power. Maybe when you remove this? No, looks like we gotta charge it. So we don't get a charge right out of the box. Let's plug this thing in and power it up. Looks like we got some juice in this thing. I actually had to plug it in order for it to power on because it was just dead. Now we got this nice loading screen. We're gonna select the language. I hope I speak English. I am from the US, not Zimbabwe. And I will be back when I have the stuff set up for you guys. Okay, so I set it up. I'm just exploring the Mac now. Overall first impressions, great trackpad, great keyboard, really nice display. I like how it's compact, only 13.3 inches. Everything's super fast, hasn't heated up at all, just currently charging it. And yeah, so far, gets a thumbs up from me. If you guys enjoy this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video from Tech with Scott. Peace out, everyone.